Okay, my final video for 450, 550 California. So we can see these are all the original hardware, welded, original riveted, but system the piece to be in good order. Just want to note that we come down here and we, need to determine if this is a concrete roof, it's fine, but maybe just have some direction. I don't see any sticker on this system that it's been serviced, so we need to see that this has been greased and serviced before we can pass. But generally looks to be in good shape. You got the chain, the cable looks pretty new, and the U-bolts look good. So I would think that we can. This will be ready to load test. Pending any little minor things that I mentioned. So we're looking pretty good on this one. If you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.